Hello everyone. If your internet being disconnection a lot, don't worry, in this video I'm gonna help you out how to fix it. It's simple steps, and go to type here to search and click power. So it's gonna be idiot power plan. On idiot power plan, go to change advanced power. On change advanced power, go to wireless adapter setting, power saving mode, and maximum performance. Click on it and choose maximum performance. This light is gonna help you out to get rid of it, Wi-Fi disconnected, this stuff. And if you still have problems, I recommend go on Wi-Fi, click on right, troubleshoot problems, and just do that, and hopefully it's gonna help you to get rid of this problem. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please hit like button, subscribe the channel. See you on next video.